Rabbit feeding basics. Understanding what rabbits eat. In this episode of our rabbit farming training series, we are focusing on rabbit feeding and nutrition. Feeding is one of the most critical factors that determine growth rate, health, reproduction, and overall success in rabbit farming. Rabbits are herbivores, which means they eat plant-based foods. Their digestive system is designed to process fibrous materials, especially grasses and leafy plants. Feeding rabbits the wrong diet can quickly lead to sickness, poor growth, and even death. The foundation of a rabbit's diet is fiber. Fiber helps the digestive system function properly and prevents digestive disorders. Without enough fiber, rabbits can suffer from bloating, diarrhea, and reduced appetite. Fresh grasses, hay, and leafy greens form the natural diet of rabbits. These feeds keep the gut active and support healthy teeth growth. Rabbits' teeth grow continuously, and chewing fibrous feed helps prevent dental problems. Water is also a critical part of rabbit nutrition. Rabbits must have access to clean, fresh water at all times. Lack of water can reduce feed intake, slow growth, and affect milk production and nursing does. Feeding should be consistent. Sudden changes in diet can upset the rabbit's digestive system. Any new feed should be introduced gradually to allow the gut to adjust. A balanced feeding system focuses on quality, not just quantity. Overfeeding concentrates without enough. Fiber can cause obesity and digestive problems, while underfeeding leads to poor growth and weak immunity. In the next part, we will look at the main types of rabbit feed and how to combine them properly for beginners. Types of rabbit feed and feeding methods. There are three main categories of rabbit feed: forage, concentrates, and supplements. Each plays a role in proper rabbit nutrition. Forage includes grasses, hay, and leafy vegetables. Examples include elephant grass, guinea grass, sweet potato leaves, pumpkin leaves, and other safe greens. Forage should make up the largest portion of the rabbit's diet because of its high fiber content. Concentrates include pellets, grains, and formulated feeds. These provide energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Pellets are convenient because they are nutritionally balanced, but they should not replace forage completely. Supplements include salt licks, mineral blocks, and vitamin supplements when needed. These help prevent nutrient deficiencies, especially in breeding rabbits. Feeding methods matter. Rabbits should be fed at consistent times each day. Overfeeding in one session can cause waste and digestive issues. Clean feeders and drinkers should always be used to avoid contamination. Young rabbits, known as kits, have different nutritional needs from adult rabbits. Pregnant and nursing does also require higher quality feed and more water to support milk production. Avoid feeding rabbits spoiled feed, wet grasses, or plants treated with chemicals. Always wash fresh greens and allow them to wilt slightly before feeding to reduce moisture content. Quick reminder, if this training is helping you, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes in this rabbit farming series. In the final part, we will cover common feeding mistakes and practical beginner tips. Common rabbit feeding mistakes and tips. One common feeding mistake beginners make is relying too heavily on concentrates while neglecting forage. This can lead to digestive problems and unhealthy weight gain. Another mistake is sudden feed changes. Rabbits need time to adapt to new feeds. Always introduce new foods gradually over several days. Poor water supply is also a major issue. Dirty or empty water containers reduce feed intake and affect overall performance. Clean water should always be available. Overfeeding treats, such as fruits or kitchen scraps, can cause diarrhea and imbalance in nutrition. Treats should be given sparingly, if at all. Feeding should be adjusted based on age, size, and purpose. Growing rabbits, breeding stock, and meat rabbits all have slightly different needs. Observe your rabbits daily. Healthy rabbits eat consistently, produce firm droppings, and remain active. Any sudden change in feeding behavior is a warning sign. Good nutrition leads to faster growth, better reproduction, stronger immunity, and higher profitability. Feeding is not just about filling the stomach. It is about nourishing the animal properly. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more rabbit farming training. Like the video to support the series. Share it with others interested in rabbit farming. And drop your questions in the comments section. You can also support this channel through channel membership, super thanks on videos and shorts, or super chat during live sessions. Your support helps us continue producing practical farming education. In the next episode, we will cover rabbit breeding and reproduction for beginners.